In the heart of ancient Egypt, a tale of seduction, power, and tragedy unfolds. The mysterious queen. Who was Cleopatra? A queen so enchanting that she captured the hearts of the mightiest men, Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. The allure of power. With her wit and charm, she forged alliances that would change the course of history, but her ambition came at a cost. The betrayal of love. As war raged, Cleopatra stood by Antony, but their love was no match for the cunning of Octavian. Defeat loomed like a dark cloud. The final act. In despair, she chose to embrace death rather than surrender. Legend says she welcomed a serpent's bite, sealing her fate. The legacy of a pharaoh. Cleopatra's story is one of beauty, betrayal, and a fierce love for her kingdom. A queen who defied an empire, leaving a legacy that echoes through time.